compare original and revised documents to find the changes. Words compare feature allows you to compare two versions of a document and highlight the differences between them. This feature is particularly useful when working on a collaborative project, reviewing drafts, or verifying the accuracy of the document. I'll just give you one small example. Word document. I'll take the support of ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT, prepare a draft quotation, prepare a draft quotation for my corporate training on Power Query and Power BI for 30 hours, 5,000 INR for each hour plus taxes, plus applicable taxes, right? Now it's going to give me a draft for my corporate training, keeping this as the number of hours. Don't worry, it takes a little time. The client name so and so. Not sure why it is taking a lot of time. Ideally, it should not wait. Have a patience. I'll just, yeah. Just bear with me for another 5 minutes. I'll complete. Last functionality, right? Thank you for considering me for your corporate training on Power Query and Power BI. I would be delighted to provide you with the requested training for total 30 hours. Let it do, then I can start explaining for you. It automatically calculating now 30 into 5,000. Very smart. Excluding taxes, right? I don't know why it is taking a lot of time. Okay, what I'm going to do, let this be stop generating. Let me copy this. Let's go to the Word document. Since I'm not using a pro version, maybe it's taking a little time. Let me paste it here, right? Let me just go here a little bigger and this as the 10th one, original document. Okay. I'm just going to keep this in the same folder. Control C. 10, original quotation. Right? Now save it, close it. I sent this document in the email to the client, accountant. What the client has done, he sent me same document back stating that, Mr. Saran, I am fine with this. He kept, let me keep it as a revised. I hope you're getting my point, what I'm trying to tell you. He sent me the same document stating that, Mr. Saran, I have done my review, everything is fine. But what he has done, why just making, instead of excluding, he kept IN, right? So he saved it and he closed it. Since it is only 2 paragraph or 3 paragraph item, you can easily identify, but understand a situation. Sometimes the document can be 10 pages, 20 pages. Now what I'll be doing, I'll go to the Word document, blank Word document. Go to the blank Word document. There is an option in the review. I'm sorry, it's not in the review. If I'm not wrong, that should be into the, yeah. In the review, there is an option called compare. Compare. Let me take the original document. That original document, I'll just copy this path, Control C, Control V. I want to take original quotation. Take the revised document. Let me take it as a revised quotation. If you want what it has to consider, you can take everything. Some of the things, if you don't want, you can ignore it. Otherwise, let this be as it is. Once I click OK, now beautifully it identified this particular user, because I only changed both the documents. It has given my email ID. Otherwise, you can find the other person email ID. This got deleted and this got added. That is what given you in the track change mode. And this scrolls parallelly. This is the original document. This is the revised document. This is going to be help you very important, especially when you are exchanging the Word document service agreements. And where I have used this, at many places, whenever there was a guidance note from the institute, I want to only know what are the new things got added. Institute will never provide that. Institute simply given to 2022 guidance note on the bank audit. Our ICI again released guidance note 2023. 30-40 pages might have been increased, but we are not sure what content got improved. Because if I was already familiar with 2022 guidance note, I need not to read the entire 2023 guidance note. Whatever the changes, I can just have a look, right? Because it's almost like 800 to 900 pages. So in those cases, what I do, I'll open the PDF of guidance note in the Word document last year and this year. I'll use the compare option. Then it's going to give me what are the changes happened. I'll go through all those changes. I think those are the important changes because those all might have changes in the last 1 year, new notifications related and so on. And with respect to the comparison, I have made a detailed video in the YouTube of my channel by taking an example of ICI guidance note on the bank audit. I strongly recommend and suggest you, please go there and start looking into this for the in detail explanation.